This is going to be the first video in a series that chronicles my journey through studying for and taking the AWS SysOps Administrator certification exam. I've not had any experience with AWS up to this point, but I have had several years of computer networking experience, so I don't think that should be too much of an issue. Most recently, I've taken the CompTIA A+, Network Plus, and Security Plus exams, so I feel like I have a good starting point at least, and it's just learning the terminology and where all of the different tools lie and the names of all the tools. I know that AWS has a lot of those. So far, all I've done is look at the exam guide. It was interesting to see the differences in formats between CompTIA and AWS. CompTIA gives you everything all in one go, lab questions, and then multiple choice, which you can jump around and review as you'd like. But AWS has you do the multiple choice first, and then once you finish those and move on to the lab questions, you can't move back. So it'll be interesting to see how that plays out, although I do tend to like doing multiple choice questions first anyway, so I think that'll play well to my general strategies. The 6 domains seem pretty standard. It does seem like there's a lot of implementation of the different domains that they want you to be able to do, so I will have to do some hands-on practice, I am anticipating. I have an AWS account I'm pretty sure that I created a couple years ago when I started looking into it and never really did much poking around, so I'll have to dig that up or make a new one and get that hands-on practice so I can get the experience that they're looking for. Related to experience, they talk about knowledge that they recommend you have, which is basic networking knowledge, and hands-on experience, which again I don't have with AWS, but I don't think it should be too hard to overcome that with a little bit of practice and the base knowledge that I have. The one thing that they talked about in recommended knowledge that I have not been exposed to, and I think will take a little bit more studying, is the AWS well-architected framework. I had no idea what that was, but it's based on 6 pillars, which are operational excellence, security, reliability, performance efficiency, cost optimization, and sustainability. And just like it sounds like, it seems like a framework and a guide for how to set up your AWS environment in a way that is following best practices and not opening yourself up to exorbitant costs because of not well managed infrastructure or attacks due to improperly secured environments, that sort of thing. I still need to do some more reading up, but AWS has a white paper dedicated to each of those topics and specific labs for implementing those, so that'll be a great hands-on experience as well, and I will be exploring that in the near future. But until I begin to study some more, I'll be signing off for now.